Good afternoon to all my wonderful viewers, depending on where you're watching me from. I am Henry C. Mosu by name, and professionally, I am a nurse. I have made some videos in the past, and I would encourage you to watch these videos. My videos are aimed to improve our health standards. I have actually noticed in the past that there are certain important subjects which we actually try to ignore. And I want people to see how important certain things or certain little things we ignore could actually play a vital role to our health system. And so, today I'm going to discuss about coughing and sneezing. Do you cough? At some point in time, we cough. I do that also sometimes. And sometimes what happens is you don't even know when you do this. It happens automatically. So it means the brain has a role to play in that. So sometimes you cannot even control it. But let's just try to go a little bit to see the anatomy, to see what happens when we sneeze or when we cough. So we actually have two different channels here within the throat region and the neck side. These two different channels, one is the air channel and the second one is the food and water channel. So it means when you take in air from your nose or from your mouth, it goes through the air channel down to the respiratory system. And then when you eat food or drink water, it goes in through the esophagus. That we all know that it's a basic part of life. So, but what happens? Why do we even cough in the first place? Well, the air channel is actually made only for air and not for water or food particles. But then sometimes food particles or water could make its way into the air channel, and it's not something that we can control sometimes. Sometimes we cannot even control that, like it happens unintentionally. And so we actually have a very good system that tries to push out these foreign materials that gets into the air channel. So these are cells, and we call them ciliated cells. So these cells are found in the wall of the bronchial system, the wall of the pipe that leads down to the lungs. And these cells try to prevent these particles from getting deep down inside the lungs, because it can cause a lot of illnesses like pneumonia, like bronchitis, and so on and so forth. So what happens then when you sneeze or when you cough? What happens in this process is these foreign materials are trying to make its way out of your air system. So what it means is if you try to prevent that from happening, then these free radicals or these foreign materials would remain inside the air system, and it's going to cause problems. It's going to cause future havocs. So I see in some situations, some people, they try to prevent themselves from sneezing in public, or maybe they try to hold the cough or hold the sneeze because they don't want people around them to feel irritated or to look at it like, oh, this is nasty or stuff like that. But this is your health. So what it means is if you decide you don't want to let it out, then you're causing more harm to your system, to your respiratory system. So you could actually in future have pneumonia or bronchitis and some others. So always try to bring it out anytime, anywhere. Anytime, anywhere. But if at all you are in a place, congested place, or where people are, then I suggest you try to cover your nose and your mouth, especially if you have a white handkerchief or like a tissue paper. Try to cover your nose and your mouth region so it doesn't extend to others. But I don't advise anyone to hold it. or keep it. So it's better to bring it out, sneeze it out, and cough it out whenever it comes out. So I like to keep my videos simple and short, and this is why I would like to stop this video here at this point in time. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. I will always bring more videos in future times. Bye.